to what's it called? The store. I'm going to Dollar Tree. I'm going to get hangers because this girl is running out of hangers, and I'm debating if it's a cause of I need to declutter or if it's fine, we'll just need more hangers. So for now, it's fine. I just need more hangers, and then once I move out, then that'll be a problem for future Cindy. Hi, if you are new here, I'm Cindy. I love creating inspiring content, cute, cozy content, all the things, and it's super fun. I am 19 at this moment and still living at home and trying to get my life back together. Get my life together in general. I feel like this winter it's been just go, go, go with my career and stuff. And so now I'm really wanting to not only take a hold of my career, now I want to not only continue to take a hold of my career, but take hold of like my health, my wellness, my just everyday life, and really dial in on some things and career stuff. And social media, that's a big one. I really am going to focus on and build. Cause yeah, we gotta do that. Anyways, so I'm on my way to the store. We're gonna get hangers today. We are just like organizing, cleaning my room, my space. Today's been a pretty good Sunday before work and everything. I've had the day off, which is so nice. I love it. And I have been cleaning. I played the guitar and the piano today. Got some French learning stuff done. And so it's been a really good day, and it's so sunny, and I'm so happy. Like, I just got back from a trip, and it was not nearly as sunny as here, and I'm like, oh my god, I love it. So it's like perfect right now. I'm super excited to just like get back into the routine of things, and excited to live my cute little life, and so I'm going to document it. So here we go. Let's go get some hangers for my clothes. Also, I don't know if you can see that, but I cleaned my window thingy and then my mirror. It's like so greasy and like bad though. Like, why did it do that? Hello. Okay, I'm back. And so I'm gonna show you my room and all the things we have to do. I have my hangers. I opened some of them, and then let me show you. This is what we're working with. It was mainly like a bunch of laundry. Oh, oh my god. You're so cute, doggy. Anyways, okay, so this is what we're working with. Lots of stuff to clean after my trip, and I really want to clear out this closet and make it more usable and accessible for like my stuff, and same with this closet. So I really want to work on the closets, and then obviously it's got to be cleaned. Okay, this is literally the state of this closet. I have no light in here, so sorry about the lighting, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put jackets here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with like sentimental stuff, because I have like a bunch of like kid sentimental stuff. And then let's see, my other closet's looking a little funky as well. This is just getting so crammed, and and then I have piles of shit everywhere, so let's fix it. Hello, good morning. It is the next morning, and I'm sitting out here. I'll show you in just a minute, but I'm having such a good little morning, and the sun has just risen. It's so beautiful. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I've got my smoothie. She's so good. She's like a, what's it called? Caramel, salted caramel with banana. Let me see. I got my doggy. And I have makeup on. I am dressed and ready for the day. And the funnest part of it all is I am sitting outside my window right now. Literally, like, have my feet dangling out of the house. This is so great. I literally have been doing this the last couple days, and I've just been sitting out here looking at the sunrise, and I journaled, and it's been such a good little morning. I did in fact finish cleaning my room. There's a lot to that story, so I will tell you more in a little bit and show you the closets because they're done. This is your sign to get outside. Go look at the sunrise or sunset, something like that. Breathe in the actual fresh air. It feels so good. And go journal, go read, go do something cutesy, and go fill your cup. This fills my cup, so. Okay, here's a quick tour of my room and everything I did. This is it now. It's all, actually, it is almost all color coordinated. Ignore that. Put it back. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Perfect. Realities of life. Okay. Okay, so everything's color coordinated and it goes like hot colors, so the rainbow basically all the way to black on every single one. It's kind of sad though. It's all like, all the cute colors are back there. It's okay though. And then all through there, okay? I've got my little baskets of clothes. I put my blanket that I like to switch out with this blanket often right there. And then I have slippers, clothes, shoes, all my pants and shorts. They're organized now. And I just barely bought a bunch of brand new pants and it was like, yay, it fits. Then I've just got like sentimental stuff up there, sheets, extra stuff. I hung up my pictures that I painted, and then I have bags that are like I use often, and then my ukulele, bass, and the biggest difference is this one right here. This literally was a pile of stuff. And I've got all my winter jackets and like sweaters I'm not going to use for a while, sentimental stuff. I've got pillowcases in there, stuffed animals. My dress, big prom dress. Then I've got all my bags, so many bags. And then this whole thing is filled with more bags. It's kind of bad. And then I got more blankets and extra stuff. And then obviously the room, she's clean. She's looking gorgeous. And then there's my little vent thingy that goes to my window. Thanks for watching a little reset, reorganized. Yesterday was a fun day. I did a lot of random hobbies and projects to like really get my life back in order.